This piece of green plastic, it also comes in red by the way, is translucent, and it's a little device for teaching reflection, the law of reflection in physics. I think they just teach reflections with it in geometry. It's called a Mira, and I'm going to place it the way you'd use it, upright on the paper. I don't think it matters which way it faces. I'm going to trace around it so that if I pick it up, I can put it back exactly where it was. And I'm going to label the device's location, Mira. On the left side, I'm going to write a letter. An asymmetrical letter is best. And then, looking at the reflection in the face of the device, I'm going to trace the reflection on the paper. So now I have the original and the reflection on the paper. I'll take a laser pointer and point it from a point on the letter to the Mira. And I've just done kind of a sloppy job of starting the rays that I saw on one side and on the other. So this would be the incident ray. And this is the original. Here is the reflection. And this path I've drawn corresponds to the virtual ray. The reflected ray must be here. And although I'm not going to measure them, I think you can see that just eyeballing it, the law of reflection is shown. The angle of incidence is approximately equal to the angle of reflection. And notice that my original R is 7.5 centimeters from the center of the Mira, and the reflected R is about 7 centimeters, a little more, from the center of the Mira. So it's a quick demonstration of how you can teach reflection with the Mira.